Photoshop and select the item or select the background in your preferred selection way. So you can watch our video on like lasso tool and quick selection tool in this channel. So for this video purpose, I'm going to use object selection tool and simply select the object. So if you have like selected an object by selecting with object selection tool, or selecting properly like accurately selecting with lasso tool, or like polygonal lasso tool or the magnetic lasso tool with feathers and stuff for like accurately selecting it, then all you gotta do is after selecting you have to select your move tool and right click on it, I mean the marquee tool, and right click on it, and here you will find select inverse. So what it will do is it will select the background and not this cat, as you can see here. And if I click select inverse again, it only selects the cat, which is the default selection you made. So I'm gonna click on select inverse and I'm going to press delete on my keyboard, but it won't work. Like it will say content error and some other stuff because the layer is locked. So I'm going to unlock this layer. As you can see, I have like clicked on the lock icon twice to unlock it. So then I'm going to press delete and you can see the background is removed. So I will say to like use polygonal lasso tool and other stuff and with feather to like select accurately. And you can also like delete background, remove background by only using quick selection tool and like selecting the only background. As you can see, I'm doing here. Like I'm gonna make it quick. I'm not gonna do it accurately, but you have to do it with precision and time. And you can like use this minus icon to like minus those selection which are like getting in the way of the cat. So you can do that. And press delete. This way your like background will be removed as well. So this is how you can like remove background on Photoshop very easily. But if you want something very instant and quick, you can watch our video on how to remove background instantly in this channel, which will show you a better way to remove background easily. But it won't be like not for professional use. If you want to use like use it on like regular users, for your regular users, then it's fine. But if you want like 100% accurate thing, selection, background removal, then you have to use Photoshop for your professional purposes. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.